And now to the CDC's urgent warning this morning impacting several counties across the state.
This comes as the newest Omicron variant is taking hold on the U.S. The CDC is calling BA.5 the most transmissible COVID strain so far. During the week ending on June 25th, the subvariant accounted for more than 36% of the country's reported COVID cases.
Now we're seeing how this subvariant is impacting more than a dozen counties across the Northwest. Farah Jadran tracking that this morning. Farah, what's the warning right now?
Well, Jake, Mimi, the State Department of Health says that there is a slight increase in hospitalizations, and it has a lot to do with this. Take a look at this map behind me. It's the CDC tracker on COVID-19 community level. So high-level counties are going to be in this orange color, low are green, medium are yellow. So some of those that are in orange are Pierce County. There's also Grays Harbor County, Clallam County, and Thurston and Lewis County. Now, these areas have 200 or more new COVID-19 cases per 100,000 people in the last 7 days, or they've had more than 20 new COVID hospital admissions per 100,000 people, again within a 7-day period. Officials say there hasn't been a significant spike in deaths, but hospitals are still full and are reporting stress due to staff shortages. Last week, in a public update, the state health department reported seeing a slight decline in cases as of mid-June. But keep in mind, self-testing or not testing at all may be contributing to the decline. Officials said the cases reported to the department represent less than 10% of infections in Washington. So if you live in or are visiting one of these high COVID community level areas in our state, the CDC said those at risk for severe illness should consider taking additional precautions besides simply wearing a mask. You should also consider social distancing, avoiding crowds, poorly ventilated spaces, and washing your hands often. Live in the studio, Farah Jadran. Send it back to you at the desk.
Thanks, Farah.